Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Myself M. Ruxana, Assistant Teacher of Galib High School, Bellary. In the previous video, I discussed 2-mark questions, 20 questions. Inshallah, today I will discuss from 21 to 40 questions, 2-mark questions. Question number 21. Child marriage stunts holistic development of children. How? Answer is exploitation of children, violation of child rights, abortions, infanticide increases, maternal mortality increases, a victim of violence easily, stagnation of all-round development of children, change of girl becoming a widow, chance of girl becoming a widow at a young age, children fall into the trap of malnutrition, anemia and diseases. Question number 22. D. Devaraj Urs assured in various social reformations in Karnataka. How? Answer. Devaraj Urs became the Chief Minister of Karnataka and ushered in various social reformation. He strived to bring in various legal measures to free the downtrodden from the shackles of caste system. Measures were taken to free farmers from the clutches of tenancy system, prohibited bonded labor system, also prohibited the practice of carrying night soil on the head. Question number 23. Black soil is best suitable for the cultivation of cotton. Justify. Answer. Black soil are derived from the basalt rock, so they are dark grey to black in color with high clay content. They are highly retentive of moisture and extremely compact. They are best suited for the cultivation of cotton, sugarcane, jawar, maize, pulses, wheat and chilies. Question number 24. Classify the following rivers into east flowing and west flowing rivers. Answer. West flowing rivers are Narmada, Tapti, Sharavati, Sabarmati. And east flowing river is Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Question number 25. What were the effects of Anglo-Sikh Wars? Answer. Lahore Agreement. British resident became the de facto ruler of Punjab. Merged the state of Punjab with the British Empire. Question number 26. Swami Vivekananda was source of inspiration of youth. How? Answer. The people should be educated first and then they themselves seek information. The legal institutions to implement appropriate rulers. Provide light to blind people. Oppose caste system and untouchability. His speeches were mirror to his nationalistic ideas. Question number 27. How did the political factors provoke the revolt of 1857? Answer. Native rulers lost their kingdoms due to doctrine of lapse. Nawab's titles removed. Emperor lost its power and dethroned. Soldiers became unemployed. Question number 28. It was inevitable for the formation of the linguistic states after Indian independence. Answer is, there was demand for languages-based states. Administration was not in local languages. Demand became more and more severe. Question number 29. India, being peace-loving country, is advocating a limited disarmament. Why? Answer. Impractical and impossible to attain total disarmament. Every country needs arms for its protection. Question number 30. Which factors inspired the movements for human rights? Answer. In 1776, the American War of Independence. In 1789, the French Revolution. Third point is freedom struggle of India. Question number 31. How can hunger index be found? Answer. The average of people who receive less than minimum calories for food required. The average of children who are below 5 years of age and underweight. The mortality rate of children below 5 years of age. The hunger index is the total of all three aspects and divided by the numeral 3. Question number 32. Indian climate varies from region to region and season to season. Substantiate. Answer. Location, water bodies, relief features, monsoon winds. Question number 33. Water resources are very important for the developing countries. How? Answer. For drinking, cooking, agriculture, hydroelectricity, washing, cleanliness, industry, navigation and fishing. Question number 34. How is remote sensing technology useful? Answer. Collects information regarding the Earth's surface. It gathers information about the distance between two objects without touching. Aerial and satellite photos are taken through remote sensing. Question number 35 now. How is floriculture helpful for the development of Indian farmers? Answer. Increasing farmers' income, employment opportunities, providing employment of women, export of goods. Question number 36. The Battle of Buxar had helped the British to get many benefits. Substantiate. Answer. Secured Diwani rights, got all the rights over Bengal, got 50 lakhs from Nawab as war expenditure, took over the entire administration of Bengal, secured right of revenue collections through dual government. Question number 37. The condition of Indian soldiers in the British army was very pathetic. Justify. Answer. Indian soldiers did not have the status, salary and promotion, and they were pressurized for overseas work. Question number 38. Answer the following question related to the given picture. Name the person in the given picture. Name the book written by him. Answer. Balagangadhar Tilak and Gita Rahasya. Question number 39. India has been considered as one of the powerful countries of the world. Why? Answer. Huge population, huge natural resources, intellectual capacity, industrialized capacity, powerful military force, own foreign policy. Question number 40. In spite of the border dispute between India and China, how have they strengthened their relationship? Answer. India and China have established good trade relationship with 1980. BRICS, a group of countries, was established in 2015. Panchashil principles. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira. Have a nice day.